How to log out of the PNC mobile app securely. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of the PNC mobile app securely. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC mobile app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the menu icon which is located in the top left or the top right corner according to your app version. And after that, you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the menu and there you can see the option labeled as Logout. So simply tap on it, and once you do that, you'll be securely signed out of the app. Now here you can always log out after banking on a shared public device to keep your information safe. And that's it. That's how you can log out of the PNC app securely. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.